one. Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of AP's Model Railway Layout Adventures. Right, it is now coming up, 10 to 11. I've only just finished broadcasting the premiere to the Model Railway exhibition video, which, alright CJ, my God, you absolutely loved that, didn't you? I think a lot of people are going to love that. That's going to go down really well. And I'm actually looking forward to the other two that are coming up this month and in August. So, what's going on here? Well, there's been a few little changes, as you may have noticed in the last video. Right. I fitted that new body I bought to the A40. Now what I didn't realise was the rear buffer's missing, the front buffers are missing, and it was a fucking tight fit. So that is what the cab should look like, not hacked to pieces. But that's nice, it's cool. I've still got the red body to turn up, so if that's starting to look a bit shabby, I can always swap them over. So there. I've got me buffer stops fitted. I'm kicking myself. I bought carriages, I bought trees, I bought buffer stops, I bought bridges. I needed extra track for that bloody third siding and I forgot. Idiot. eBay it is. Oh, who the fuck what? Some outside, someone's on their blower, loudspeaker in the car probably. Right, yeah, let's take our two locomotives, hang on a minute, sort it out. Let's take our two new carriages for a spin around the track. Wait a minute. Oh shit, yeah, can't do that yet, it's going to cut the power off. Jumping the gun a bit. Yeah, you can. Good for you outside, whoever you are, brother. Keep the fucking noise down, I'm recording. So, there are two carriages, doing a lovely lap of honours around the track. As you'll notice, I've got that bridge, let me show you that while that's warming up doing a run around. Right, let me just walk on up there for a minute. Right, this is the bridge I got. Remember when I said I got £1.50? Can you see this kind of what's wrong with it? Alright, it's got some of the legs to stand it up on. Half a set of steps are missing. No wonder it was going for £1.50. And it's a little bit, it needs a bit of TLC. Right, now since these steps are missing, I did a rough estimate visual measurement, and I think if I cut the steps off here to match these, and I make my own, like, stilts, I could get that to sit over a track and be high enough for an engine to still get under. So that was my plans for that, because once it's glued together and I've tidied it up a bit, that looks like an alright bridge. Not quite sure where I'm going to put it. I mean, I would put it like there, or like that, you know, but what I'm worried about is if I have to lean over, I'm going to squash it. And I don't want to be squashing it. So that's why when I fixed it up, I'm going to place it there. I think it's nice and safe up in that little corner. Right, I'm talking of fixing things. What else? Oh yeah, interesting little, hang on a minute. Let's get you up here a bit. That's better. Right, I had an idea, right? I know this is marked up as Albert Road, but it should be Albert Street, my pardon. Blame the weed, right? Now, what used to stand on the corner of Albert Street? That bad boy used to sit on the corner of Albert Street. What if AP scratch built a 4mm scale version of that? Oh yeah. It kind of, I walked past the site earlier today and it thought just popped in my head, why not do a 4mm scale of that? It can't be that hard. I mean, I'm doing pretty well with that so far. Alright, it looks a bit rough, but I'll tidy it up. But yeah, I'll have a fucking crack. So that's something on the plan for later date, which is yeah, building that in 4mm scale. I mean, it's a basic structure, so it can't be, as I say, cutting the windows out might be the hardest part. But I've got that out because I need, that's in 132 scale, so I just take measurements for that and it's going to give me the measurements of the building's diameter, dimensions and shit. Get the word there. Right, let me bring this closer. Oh shit. Oh no! I've just fucking derailed me. Fucking coaches. You clumsy twat. That's it. Right. Now, just thought I'd show you. Get you down here a bit. Alright. Oh, come back into frame here. There we go. That's it. Right there. Yeah. Right. I just thought I'd show you what our proper planning was is. Right. The house that I've ordered has got to sit in there. That base bit, as I might have explained before, is a perfect size. These are the outside roof bits I've made up so far. They are going to get stuck on like that. And like that. They're at that length so they can obviously contour with the other house when it gets here. So that's what that's going to look like. If I try and get my fingers out of the way a little bit so you can see. Yeah. I've got to make the inside roofs yet. And then I've got to find a way of doing the interior window frames. My first idea is I've got clear plastic, so I can put clear plastic. I can put a little bit of thing behind that because that's an archway. The house that this is for comes with an archway at the front, but I'm going to take that archway at the front and put it here because there's a like porched archway type thing there. So yeah, so I'll do that, and with these plastic I'll get a Tipex pen and I'll try and do the window frames in Tipex on the clear plastic. Hopefully that should be thin enough to work, or one of them paint pens, but I don't know, I'll try it with Tipex and see how we go. That's an experimental one, that is. I can go on eBay and buy plastic window bits, but the only problem is they're certain size. These are different, so I'm going to have to customise these ones. Because if I get them, then I have to cut the windows to that standard, but I hadn't got them, so I actually literally copied the photographs. So, yeah. Right, I'm going to get the model board out. And first we're going to make a start on that bridge. Let's see what we could do to rescue that. Back in a minute. Introducing my big little friend, the toolbox. And if you're wondering what's in here, have a look. All the tools required for running a model railway. That's a lot of shit, and that's only a fraction of what kind of stuff that's available. Right, first I'm going to need a pair of scissors, then need a styling knife, and I'm going to need some glue, and shitload of luck really. Yeah. Right. I'm going to take my glasses off for this. I can't see. Focus that close right. I'm still in frame. Yep, good. Right. So far, I'm going to take this apart. And clips from there. Yep. Right. And then I'm going to take this one apart. Hope you can see what I'm doing. I'm not getting in the way too much yet. Come on, out you come. That's it. Right, this has got to be cut to the same size as the other one. So I've got to line them two up together and then mark on there somehow with a proper pen. Where's that sharp? There it is. So it's got to be snipped there and there. Right, that should even things up on the steps. So here goes. 3, 2, 1. I'm turning back now. There we go. So that's the steps, exactly the same length now. Let me just move this over here a little bit. That's better, hopefully I won't get in the way so much. But yeah, so now I have to attach that to there. And then we've got to snip these at the end. There should be a solid post on the end of this, but it's not going to be now. Come on, cut your fucker. That's it. So, there you go. Now, the tricky bit is, once you've done that, I'm going to use this bit to experiment with a little bit. Let me just rectify this quickly. It clicks together, but I'm going to glue it all anyway. Better be safe than sorry. Oh, come on. Right, I'm going to put this together as it's supposed to be put together. There. And then two little pegs go in there to hold that in position. That one hasn't got one. Somehow locks together like that. And what have you? Same with the other one. Now, before I do that, this one's got a little something stuck in the hole here. And I need something to coat it up with. So, put that out there, that's it. And then, literally, piece off. That there. Whoops. That that. It clicks round. That comes onto that. Keeps it straight there. So you got your bridge. Now, the magic bit. Oh, that on top of the toolbox. I've got to get a loco. I think this one's the highest spout I've got. I've got to try and get that as level as possible and see if the train will still scoot under it. Yeah, about fingers clearance. Yeah, we can do that. We've still got ourselves a bridge. Right. That works out then. So, without further ado, we put that back on there. We put that back on its siding. Put that back there. Everything focus and stuff. Good. Right. Now, take care of these final bits of rail. Cut them to length. That's one. I bet you look and go, fucking hell AP mate, you make this look so fucking easy. Years and years and years and years and years and years of practice. And just have the ability to just do these things without major instructions and shit. I think it's called being a visual thinker. But there we go. There's our bridge. All we need now is to rebuild the supports underneath, which I can do out of balsa wood. Let me just go get some. Yeah, one bit will do. We don't need to be that greedy. Oh shit. Fuck. Just tripped over the lead of me fucking fan. I just smacked my heel off the fucking bed frame. Ouch. Ow, ow, ow. Why did it hurt so much? It was only in contact with it for a slight second. Ow. Oh. Don't worry, I'll live. If I fucking bust a rib, I think I can just kick my heel off the fucking side of the bed. Right. Trying to get a rough visual idea of level. So very rough way of doing it, but as long as these two bits are the same size at the end of the day, it should pretty much be level. Oh shit. Ugh. Right. Let's come out a bit. That's it. Right, let's square that a bit off first. Then tidy that up a bit. There we go. Then I'll set this up, stand it up without gluing it or anything, just to make sure that these pillars are the right height that I need. I'm glad this is soft because this is cutting quite easily. After time, usually quite hard to cut. Right. Yeah. That there. Then there. Whoop, back up there again. Right. Okay. Oh shit, that's a bridge. Ooh, one might actually, they might actually be a bit high. But that's okay because I can get more balsa and do little like concrete slab bases at the base of the stairs, which should bring that up just a little bit to put that level. Or I could just trim it off, but if that gives a little bit of extra height, I'd rather have the extra height. So, okay. Let's just borrow the roofing sections off the thing for a moment. Just an example what I mean. You put that there. See, that makes it look a little bit more level. Come on, stop catching my carpet. There. That's better. See, and our train's still got plenty of clearance. Yeah. AP does it again. Now all we've got to do is glue it together. Oh, I've just noticed these baggy bits under my eyes. Jesus Christ, there's enough room there for a whole baggage compartment at Luton Airport. Fuck me. This is what it takes to get old, matey. Fucking keep it. I want to go backwards, not forwards. I want to be young again. Not too young. I don't want to go back to being a fucking, you know, an enigma or some shit. But, you know, go back to my teenage years. Would be nice. Right. Let's switch that bloody fan on. It's getting warm in here. I would take my shirt off, but the only problem is if I do that, someone's going to report the phone up the RSPB saying, I've just seen this emaciated fucking pigeon on YouTube. Oh, sorry, it's just AP. He's got his shirt off. What is the temperature tonight? 22 outside. Ouch. No wonder it's fucking warm. That means it's 20. Yeah, I know, my eyesight. 26 in here. Oh. Windows open, fans on the go. Oh, wait, hang on a minute. Oh. I usually keep the bedroom door shut so the neighbours, if they're standing in the hallway, don't hear me nattering away at the video and think I'm fucking... Well, I am. Anyway, but you know what I mean. But I've got windows open in there so it helps the breeze come through. Right, what am I doing? What am I doing? Gluing, yeah? Good. Right. I'm glad someone fucking remembered. Right, that needs to go in there, around there, somewhere like that. I'm gonna get glue everywhere. Right, that's got to click into there. And then it's got, got glue on my fingers. I'm going to end up stuck to the fucking thing. I might as well take these off because I've got to glue these on. These are quite put well on anyway, actually. Yeah, they're actually quite well on, so I think we might just leave the glue the other ones to it, then it will strengthen the shit out of it. But these side bits, I don't know, let's leave that one. I think a couple of them might have a bit of glue because the pegs are missing, but like down here and shit, but oops. Yeah, right, glue that one. Come on, off you come. Too much glue this time. I only want to stick it, not smother it. Right, now it's time to start. Oops. There we go. That one looks like it's more used to be bent that way. I bet he said that to all the girls. Can't find the hole. Bet he said that to quite a few girls as well, eh guys? I can see it, I just can't hit it. Come on. Oh, fuck off. Oh, great. The glue's literally destroyed the peg because it's that strong. Great. Right. Glue that along there. Come on. I would speed this up, but nah. So, you know, enjoy the complicity of it all as the master puts it together. Who wants to get high? Oh yeah. Nasty habit that. Done that. I'm not going to go into that story. Right, I'll cut this for a minute while that sets, and then once I think it's set, I'll carry on working. Back in a sec. Right, a little while later. I keep moving that fucking bin. Right. Let's get gluing the inside railings. That's going to stand up. No, it's not. Bastard. Nearly there, guys, nearly there. Nearly there. Ooh, bring around a little bit more. You know you want to. I think you're a little bit too much on the edge, but oh well, this stuff seems to be fucking pouring out like there's no tomorrow. Stop pouring out. Having trouble finding the hole again. Alright. Imagine if I ever did get a girlfriend, she goes, I've heard about you not being able to find the hole. Only on models, love. Only on models. It comes down to women, I know exactly where the fuck they are. There we go. That's better. There we go. It's all coming together rather quickly, isn't it? In this weather, it don't take long for this fucking glue to dry. Oh, hang on a minute, hang on a minute. Whoa, you fucking donut. Wrong side. Oh god. Brain went in complete retard mode there. Wasn't thinking. Ah, I've got that crap blood my fingers now. We got that bit right, just the wrong side. Get in there. I beg of you. Just go in, thank you. Ta-da! One glued together bridge. One plastic part of it anyway. So now, comes the funky bit. I've got to be able to stand it up somehow. I think it's clamp time. Hang on. Go to the box of magic tricks. I don't want to clamp this down too tight or I'll crush it, but as long as it's just like standing up like that, that will do. Yeah. Make sure these are sitting in right. If they ain't sitting in right, that's going to cause fucking problems. Some of these edges still don't look at that level. Fucking hell. A bit that one. This is a bit that's going to take a long time to dry. There we go. Right, back in a bit. Once that's set, we'll put the base for the steps on and then we'll set it in place. Right guys, it's time to stick the bridge into place. So we take the standing knife off and we bring the bridge over to said spot there, like that. We take our two little slab bits, and I don't know if you can see me doing this, because I might get in the way, and I do apologise, but I want to make sure you're going to work out right. You might have to glue the base plates down first. Oh shit, and then right, let's just let me just sit behind the camera here so I can see how proper the clearance is. Oh shit, just bumped the camera with my nose. Fine, fine, fine. Right, now I'm going to switch it onto the inside lane to see it should clear the inside of that. Yes, plenty of room. Right, she's in a perfect position then. Brilliant. Right, now we know she's in a perfect position. We will lift the bridge up herself, put her there. and then we'll actually upheave all that in position, glue all that and the edges. There we go, and we'll put that back down there. And stick that right down there flat. Do exactly the same with the other one. Up it on end. And we should have it. Position. Quickly put the bridge up against it. Double check we've got it perfect. Yeah. Weight back on there. Weight on that one. And when that's proper set, we will stick the rest of it down, and then it'll be hey presto, bridge in place. Right, we are ready to glue down now. Now, when I glue this down, I've got to try to take out some of the distortion in the plastic as well. That's on there. That's on there. That's on there. So, and then make sure there's nothing else going to stick over there. This, I've got somehow keep that in place there. Okay, it's square, which you should have one that way. If you don't want, so that's going to have to simply keep that in place. Oh, this lovely little fella sits on there. Anyway, over the here it is. And once she says she'll be done, we've got our bridge. Not too distorted. And pretty much even. Just keep all that in place. I always knew the glass from that cell door in Bletchley Police Station would come in handy for all sorts. Paperweight, something to put your glue on because it comes off once it's dry, use it as a weight. Universal tool, lumber glass. Anyway, I'm going to end this here because you've obviously seen pretty much what it looks like when it's operating. And that is going to set for a few hours now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment and share. And someone asked me in the premiere of the model exhibition video what I was doing tomorrow. I have an idea. I'm going to surprise you. It's not going to be part of this series, but I think you might like it. See you then. Bye.